All right, so a while back I had some money to post, and I said, "Hey, what's an idea for a web app you've always wanted to build? Give me the bare bones minimum viable product, and I'll do some videos on how to get started." Since we were discussing in the newsletter today about using coding tools like Bolt.new, I decided, hey, let's jump into it and go right at it. Angel Bennett lives locally here with me in Orange Beach, Alabama. She runs a company called the Beach Moms. They're a concierge service that goes and buys groceries, plans vacations, basically makes it as effortless as possible for people looking to come on vacation and not lift a finger. Pretty cool idea. Great website, good marketing, good business, been around for a while. Obviously don't want to do a website, right? So they already have a website. But she wants to be able for her clients to book directly and have click and enter forms versus fillable PDFs, which makes sense. And I noticed by going to her site that she has a Thrive CRM system. We can build something that's custom. They have their own dashboard, user portal, all that stuff. So that's my concept here. So here we go. Let's go into how I structured this. So I just went to ChatGPT 4.0 and I said, visit every page on thebeachmoms.net, understand their business in full detail. So it went through there, said booking process, okay. And I gave it the screenshot. I said they came up with me wanting a better customer management and sign-up flow. Currently they're using fillable PDFs when they would prefer to use an online form workflow that sync. The attached screenshot is between me and Angel Bennett, the owner of the Beach Moms. Cool. So it gives me proposal solutions, gives me an admin dashboard, customer portal, key features to integrate, workflow automation, future scalability, and some next steps. And I said, hey, well, from their website, I got this information. So I literally just went and copied like their process of how to complete a booking experience. So then it gives me some current workflow insights, proposed solution to streamline it, and some next steps. And I just kept going. I said, from their website, here's all the services and packages. So I just went to their services page, right? Went over here and just highlighted all this and selected it all and just pasted it right in. So went back, cool. Here's everything you need to know. Here's the prices. Great. Fantastic, blah, blah, blah. I literally went to every page on the services and just copied and pasted. Okay, proposed building plan. Gives me a landing page, online form, admin dashboard, development roadmap, tools, whatever. I said, yes, the form needs to be robust, give options such as checkboxes when it comes to grocery needs like special requirements or allergies to prevent any confusion or problems, be extremely thoughtful in how we design the form flow and questioning to ensure it's a top-notch experience for customers who are buying concierge packages for their vacation, event needs, etc. Leave no stone unturned for the onboarding and ensure everything is recorded in the admin dashboard. Also be extremely thoughtful in how the user portal looks, functions, etc. So it gives me a robust online form design, thoughtful user portal, admin dashboard, design considerations, next steps, right? So they're currently paying for a Thrive CRM, so I want to ensure we can replace that completely for them. So it goes and searches for all the stuff that Thrive does and gives us what our custom CRM will do and what theirs does not. Phase development plan, tech stack, next steps. So, okay, give me a detailed overview of the landing page that will start the form submission process. They already have a professional website, so no need to get fancy, as this is just linked to their services tab when a user goes to select the package, etc. So it gives me a detailed plan for the landing page and the wireframe construct, right? I said, okay, give me a detailed overview for the form submission process. Cool, it's giving me all that. And then you can probably guess what's next. Give me a detailed overview of the admin dashboard. Great, fantastic. All right, let's give me all of that. Give me a detailed overview of the client user portal. And that's everything we have. And then I came in and I just asked, what's some, now think of AI and automation components we can add to enhance usability, availability, and time savings that are thoughtful, useful, not overly reliant, but simple to integrate. And it gave me a list of those. So that is how you quickly plan out a basic web app, right? So pretty simple there. It wasn't a whole lot. Just very thoughtful about how I structured my prompts and asked it to give me exactly what I needed. All right. So we're going to copy. Actually, we're going to go down here, past this Thrive. All right. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to go over to Bolt. I'm going to start a new project here. And I'm just going to feed it all that. All right. And we're just going to see what it comes up with. And already you can see it's writing hundreds of lines of code, creating the components needed. Perfect. All right. So as you can see here, we've got some simple pricings, what our clients say. Okay, great. So what I want to do is, I want to go back over here though, and go back and say, here's their services and pricing. So go back over the Bolt. All right, so we got a problem here. Lucid React. There's going to be something there with the palm tree. Palm tree is always a problem for some reason. It's because we call it palm. It should be palm tree apparently. Well, let's see. Nope, palm tree does not work either. Womp, womp, womp. So for those you don't know, these up here are just going to be icons from a library called Lucid React. There are many libraries that I'm sure you can pull from, but Lucid React seems to be the one that Bolt goes for pretty much every time. Okay, so we should, no, we're getting more problems. All right, for some reason or another, it still wants to keep palm tree. Let's remove palm tree. Come on. Is palm tree, well, if you think you know that, then why didn't you Put that there the first time. Come on. Oh, see, now it's getting lazy on me. Oh. You got lazy. You did not write the entire code. That's just started happening recently. Matter of fact, today been using this every day, and for some reason or another, it's getting to the point to where it wants to well, just use the rest of the code. And it's like, well, you're writing the code. I can't use the rest of the code. You just told me to use the rest of the code. I don't have it saved. But it shouldn't be too difficult to fix. You just got to go in and say, hey, write the whole thing. Don't be lazy. Okay, cool. All right. All right, and the price adjusts based on the amount of people. That's cool. Great. You got some nice little hover effects here. Perfect. All right. So now, when a user selects a package, we to start a form submission process /flow. Here are the requirements. All right, so we're going to go back over to our handy dandy ChatGPT. And we're going to copy all of that. Cool. Perfect. Copy that. We're going to go over to Bolt. We're going to paste that in. So what's cool about this, guys, is that you can create concepts that will theoretically work. They're good demos, and then you can test them out with potential clients. I mean, I would suggest having a good long conversation with them and determining what their budget is and things of that nature, figuring out what they want, so you don't have to sit there and ideate too much. But then you can put something together like this and show it to them, and they can decide whether they want to pull the trigger. And we've only been at this for 13 minutes now. Probably about 20 minutes if you include my time inside of ChatGPT. And let's see if one of these buttons work here. Select package. See, it did not. Cool. All right. None of these buttons are working. Should start the form mission. Cool. All right. It's adding routes. So even if you can't necessarily figure out everything, including the back end and things like that may hang you up, you can find somebody that can do it on Fiverr or something like that for pretty cheap. Since you'll have the majority of the app done, you'll just cut yourself in a nice little piece. But I would suggest just going back and forth until you figure it out. It may take you a couple of days, but you'll learn a lot in the process. You'll learn how to put together a nice back-end authentication system and things of that nature, which isn't too difficult, but it can take a little bit of time. But a few days going back and forth with ChatGPT or Claude or in this system and Windsurf and others, I promise you can figure it out. Okay, page is not loading. And you'll see there's a lot of back and forth. There's going to be errors. One thing I'll say is keep in mind the name of each file. So whenever you're trying to tell it what to fix, you can name the actual component, because sometimes it'll just go and make a new component, and that will, at the end of the day, will make your code jumbled and a big mess that will take you days to figure out how to undo if you don't understand how to code. And it's very easy to find like what does what by looking for certain words that are on the pages and inside of these components here. See, got a booking flow. Does the file exist? So there's going to be something with the routing here. I just copy that. Still getting an error here. So again, copy, paste. If you get easily frustrated, I could see why this would not be something you're into, but since it's literally doing all the work, it's not much. It's not much to be frustrated about. We've been at this for 17 minutes now. What do you expect? Still getting the same flow here. All right, this might be good. Create remaining components, yes. Okay, that's what it is. It's just going back component by component. It's having to create one after another because it doesn't have it. That's okay. Yes. The damn palm tree just keeps giving us hell, even though it just loaded. Okay. Let's make sure all this is still working, and it is not because I had to rewrite it. And sometimes this app component can be, see, it's getting lazy again. Write the full app.tsx as it. Well, this turned out to be a weird one to show you because it normally doesn't get this lazy. Let me guess, palm tree. I'm gonna fix that myself. It's supposed to be a boom, clear. So as you can see, I can avoid doing that just by making sure that I go in there and let's just make sure. There we go. It's fine. Just making sure it's not in my code. ID, name, icon. Cool, whatever, that works. Let's go to preview. Hit refresh here. Palm tree. Or something else. Do not get lazy. So if the palm tree wants to keep giving us hell, that's what we'll do. We'll just remove it. So decided to use a compass instead. That's fine. We can figure all that out later. Okay, that's working now. Thankfully. Confirm your package. Okay. And let's just go. Check in, let's just say 17th. Check out the 24th. 4 adults, 2 children. And let's just throw in an address here. AI Airbnb. Yep. Continue. You have any special requirements? I'm interested in dolphin cruises, boat tours. Let's do some snorkeling, some fishing, dietary preferences, keto. Oh, there we go. It's already there. Cool. So we have a pretty decent little. Cool. That needs to be customized some more and probably not so detailed. Let's get a photography session and an in-home massage. Private self, yeah, sure. Continue documents so you can upload. So what I want to do here is I want to be able to upload, but also allow for a photo to be taken. So if they're on their phone, they can just take a photo of their ID right there. That's a simple prompt in here to fix. So I actually would come over here, required documents is probably going to be documents. Yep. Before we do all that, I want to go through everything just to make sure. Merino. And let's just make sure I can upload something. Just download a screenshot. Continue the payment. Let's go to Merino 111 0928. Oop. And you can guess it, 111. Bada bang, bada boom. Shores, Alabama 36542. Cool. Review booking. Easy breezy, large, confirm. Okay. So I'm going to go to code here and look at review. Once reaches review.tsx and they confirm their purchase, which all right, user portal. Add more requests, bookings, etc. The user portal should follow these guidelines. And we'll come back and we'll fix that upload there or be able to use a photo later. It's not necessarily important right now. So let's go. That's admin dashboard. Okay, we'll do that last. Cool. Okay, cool. Let's Go back over to Bolt. We also, we did a credit card authorization. So we should be good there. So it's creating the success page. It's adding the price to the review. It's adding more to the booking flow. Cool. All right. Would you like to continue implementing the using portal next? Yes, I would. It's adding some mock data, which like you always notice in the green, it's telling you what's happening, what each section does, which is nice, especially for us non-coders. So here we go again. App.txx just went. If it needs to be. Cool. All right. Can't let this thing get lazy on you. Just making sure it didn't import that palm tree again. And that'll get me frustrated. Seems like it's going to run it all in app.tsx. Yeah, just told that. That's fine. Cool, cool. All right. On finishing the So sometimes when you have some things that pop up, you lose track of where you're at. So it's always nice to remember where you're at and then just ask it. So, okay, here, what do we need? So we completed a portal layout, navigation sidebar, dashboard with active booking overview and tasks, success page with account creation, basic routing structure. So we have remaining portal pages, bookings, grocery list, documents, messages, payments, settings, authentication settings, session management, protected routes, backend integration. Cool. Yes, let's work on number one list. We are 35 minutes in. I'd say we've gotten a pretty good ways here. Did it get lazy again on me on app? I bet it did. Yes, it did. You did not write the entire Man, that's a bug. That one needs to be fixed. I'm gonna have to report that one. That hasn't been happening. Damn it! Gave me the palm tree again. Yeah, I know what it is. Watch this. Compass. Umbrella. Wind. Icon. Compass. Where? While we're doing this, here's all of our. So they do tree dash palm. Cool. So I'm gonna go back over here. And let's see if that works. Because I do want it. Doesn't really make sense with a package called palm tree. And no, it's tree palm. We'll see. It literally says tree dash palm, but okay. That's what I get for trying to be sneaky and tricky and cutesy and demure. You didn't write the whole code. I promise you guys, it's normally not this bad. Can only guess. Alright, I'm going to try this one more time. Well, let's just see if that does anything. I doubt it. Okay, I'm just going to go back to Compass. Definitely did not write the entire code. We got our lovely compass here. Let's make sure. Okay, that's working. Now is my select package working? Okay, cool. Junk email. That works, okay. 24th, 31st. There's 8 adults, 4 children. Let's just throw in an address. Okay. Cool. I want to go jet skiing. I want to go fishing. I want to go snorkeling. I am on keto and I'm allergic to shellfish. I'm not, but here's a grocery list. Okay, so here's some milk. See, that's not working. I don't even want to do that anyways. Continue here. Yeah, we want to do special occasions. In-home massage. Great. I'm just going to choose screenshot here. Yada yada. I'm going to add some verification there. Continue. Okay, cool. We'll do 111. I'll also make sure the billing address is properly formatted as well. But again, this is just a demonstration. Review booking. Okay, that didn't work. Cool. All right. Please don't touch app. Okay. So yeah, we'll want to make sure that we have the addresses and stuff properly formatted and filling in automatically based on what you're typing, so it'll start finding it. I agree. Boom, boom. Cool. I'm gonna do some jet skiing. I'm gonna do some snorkeling. I'm gonna do some fishing. Keto. Allergic to the shellfish. I'm not, but who cares? And grocery list is not loading. Let's see what it's called. I think it is grocery list TSX. Let's start over. Okay, cool. Read your booking, press it, easy breezy. Boom, 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 boom. Confirm booking. Booking confirmed. Order number. Next steps. Check your email for booking confirmation and details. Your beach mall will be in contact with you within 24 hours. Create an account to manage your booking. Okay, so we had a problem here. Let's just see if it'll let me. Gmail.com and okay, so we got that far. Let's attempt to fix this here. And then I'm going to say where'd my okay, as you guys saw, I created the account. It didn't do anything. So what I did was just told us, okay, success TSX page. It did not take me to my user profile, which should be. Come back up here, look, there's the portal, bookings, dashboard, portal layout. So I know the dashboard's where I want to go, and I'm going to add that. And it's messing with my app.txx. And if you give me a damn palm tree again, okay, compass. And I will be reporting this bug to Bolt on why it wants to keep doing that. Cool. All right, look there. And we're at our portal. So I need to complete the grocery list, upload a signed waiver, confirm excursion times. I can message the beach mom. I can view my timeline. I'm sure none of these are working, but this is get drift here. So yeah, bookings, not working. But to keep this video short, I'm going to leave you guys here and I'll show you the finished product later. But I just want to give you an idea of exactly how this works and how you can just, within an hour, we've been here for an hour. We've got probably 40-50% of an application done. Obviously, there's still a lot more to go, but 3 or 4 more hours, this is done. So, hope you guys enjoy it.